How to pay bills with zippay account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can pay your bills through zippay account. Now, as you know, eligible customers can use the zip account to pay their bills through bpay option. Now there, what you'll have to do is first you'll have to understand that there is a flat payment processing fee of $2.50 per bill for zippay money accounts. So how do you pay it, right? First you want to log into the zip app, and there you want to tap on the pay option at the bottom of your screen. You'll see four different options as you can see on screen: home, shop, pay, and activities. Simply tap on pay option and then tap on online option, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on pay a bill with bpay option. And once you do so, you want to scroll down and then tap the preferred account used for the particular account, and then enter in the biller details, enter in your biller code, reference number, amount, description, and if you want you can save the address book and add in nickname if you want, and then simply tap on continue and go ahead and make the payment. So this way you can pay bills with zippay account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.